All right, so if you're not on X, I would get on there now because this is going to be a game changer. I would at least get your models to go on there. So if you're not following, X has been slowly rolling out more and more features since Elon took over. X, formerly known as Twitter, is becoming somewhat a creators platform. They want to compete with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So they have allowed creators to make money in several different ways. The first way is subscriptions. You can sign up to this creators platform and then you can implement subscriptions in which your followers can choose to subscribe. They can pay X amount of money and then they can see a special section that you allow for the subscribers. Not everyone can see it, but the people who pay that monthly subscription can see it. Does that sound like another platform? Well, here's why it's better than OnlyFans, because on OnlyFans you can't get an organic audience. You have to funnel them in from somewhere. You have to post on Instagram or Twitter or Reddit or whatever and funnel traffic from there to the OnlyFans account, because you can't just post on OnlyFans, put in a hashtag and then find people and find an audience. It doesn't work like that. But on X you can. So here's what you can do. You can use X as like your day-to-day life. Post, yeah, at the beach, I'm at the mall, whatever, use hashtags, find an audience, and then you can funnel them through and get them to subscribe all on the same platform so they can pay money, and then all of a sudden that allows them to see the special section. And X has no problem posting NSFW content. The only thing is, if you post NSFW content, they're not going to show ads alongside your posts, because they've also rolled out a revenue share in a different way. They are now splitting ad revenue with any creator that makes a post where ads are shown in the comments. And then at the end of the month or week, I can't remember how often it is, they split that revenue and they send the creator half of it. You can literally write a story, you can literally write a poem. And if ads are shown in the comments, they split the revenue with you and they give you a cut. Now, that's just a bonus. The only thing missing with this whole thing was that you couldn't sell pay-per-view content. You couldn't get people to tip, which is the way majority of creators, including our models, make most of their money on the OnlyFans account. Subscriptions are kind of just like a qualifier to make sure the simp has money, and then when they have money, then you sell them content in the DMs, and that's where you make the most money. X was missing that, but check this out, not for long. Soon there will be micro payments, which means you'll be able to essentially trade content for tips or get users to even tip on your lives. You can make money that way. So then you can have subscribers, you can have tips / PPVs, and you can also get an organic audience by posting normal day-to-day stuff with hashtags. You can do it all on one platform. You can find your audience, funnel, and sell them all on the same platform. It's going to be brilliant. So let's give you a little demo here. So this is X, if you're not familiar. This is Elon Musk, the big boy who brought it. He is the one behind getting all the changes, and he doesn't fuck around. Since he took over, he just wants one feature after another, and he is not slowing down. Why is he there? Because I'm going to show you this whole subscription thing. Now, here's a few examples I pulled up, right? Nasty brunette, post some content, cool, then Linktree. I haven't checked it, but I can guarantee your OnlyFans in there. More Bronx Fox, cute little Australian girl, same thing, post content. Then she has her own domain name. I haven't checked it, but I can guarantee that links to the OnlyFans. Princess Enola, same thing. Oh, there you go. She's got OnlyFans right there. Here's one thing they have in common. None of them are using the subscription thing, because I don't even know if half of these people are aware of it. So here's what you do. So these girls, right? They're posting posts. Yep. They're posting posts using hashtags, getting an audience, getting a lot of people saying, beautiful, blah, 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 you know, the usual. And then they're banking on the simps going to their profile, going to the link in bio, clicking on that, going to OnlyFans. Here's what you can do instead. You can actually post this, well, this is what I'd recommend. Post safe for work stuff. I'm at the beach, I'm with friends, having lunch, having a picnic. Then guys are going to see and go, she's cute. Then they're going to go to your bio and you can write anything. Here's behind the scenes, for example. And then they'll click subscribe and boom, suddenly this category open up and hello, that's where they can see all the juicy stuff. Now, that's a good way to make subscriptions. And then when they implement the micro payments, that will unlock a whole other stream of revenue, which was the missing piece. So that should be out soon. So I would start setting on there right quick. Now look, X only has like 500 million users or something, which is nothing compared to Insta and all those other platforms. But that's because people are still learning about it. People think it's still Twitter. People think they can only write, like, what was it, 56 characters, 150 characters, whatever. People still think it's that. It is so much more than that now. It has a whole creators platform and a whole lot of ways to make money. So that's my update. I'm gonna leave you with this. Get on there now. At least start setting up on there now. At least start setting up your model's presence on there and get ready for it, because this is going to be a game changer. All right, if you like the content, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video.